Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see how to pin a prompt on your Google Gemini on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to pin the prompt on your Google Gemini, just going to show in this video. So first, if you open your Google Gemini, now you have an option called the three dots. Click on the top. Then after clicking here, you have a about the lot of more options about your reason prompt. You just need to bring a example. For an example, a single font. For an example, so I'm just going to long press on here. So you have a pop-up on the bottom section. Now we show the three options like pin, rename, and delete. Just click on the pin option. So now you can see the prompt has been pinned. It's just a way that you can just easily pin any important prompt on your Google Gemini by using this particular. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in the next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.